gas rewards. Uber, Grubhub, Instacart, DoorDash, all giving drivers gas rewards to incentivize or to help us out, because at the pump right now, gas went up the last month. Is it a good or bad thing? Keep watching. So Pedro, DoorDash Santiago, back at you with the RideShare Guy again. And in today's video, I'm going to share my personal experiences and others from what they've sent to me about what they think and what they feel and how they've been impacted by the gas rewards. Let's take this right along. So by now, we all know, we've all talked about it, we've all gotten or heard about the gas rewards with these platforms. I'm going to give you my opinion on what I've seen. When gas prices went up, I wasn't worried. And that might be shocking to some. I was not worried. Because I knew I was still going to work and adapt and figure out how to make money in my market. And I also thought probably be less drivers. I might get more orders to choose from. And that was happening for a couple weeks. And then all the platforms decided to give us some gas money, and my market got slower because it brought out more drivers. It brought out more of the part-timers that said, you know what? Gas is too high. I'm not going to work tonight. But now with the gas reward, just bringing them back out. These gig apps are about their bottom line, guys. It's a business, billion-dollar businesses. And when people, drivers like you and I, stop working because of gas prices or whatever else, it hurts their bottom line. Orders are late or they don't arrive at all. They get customer complaints. They had to do something. I think mostly it was PR, and it was a business move completely on their end. And it was smart to do that. But when gas prices are affecting you and you stop driving, like here in my market, it's $3.85. It got as high as $4.15. Well, how did you respond? Did you stop working? Did you stay working? For those of you that were going to work anyway, you got extra 15 like from DoorDash, or maybe an extra $2 or $3 from Uber. Uber's giving me 45 cents per trip. DoorDash is giving me 5, 10, or 15 based on my mileage. But I've actually made less money the last 2 weeks on DoorDash and Uber since they're giving me fuel rewards. I've made less money. So the $25 combined I've gotten from DoorDash and the $22 combined in the last couple weeks I've gotten from Uber have actually cost me a couple $100 in my market, because I believe there's more people driving. It incentivized people to come back out and hit the road. It did exactly what the gig apps wanted it to do. So for me, the gas rewards, I took it. Hey, you want to give me $15, 45 cents a trip? No problem, I'll take it. But in the long run, it's costing me money. How about you guys? I will be interested to see and hear your perspective from a driver that stopped working and now you're working again. Did it incentivize you? Or the ones that were going to drive anyway, regardless, and just adapt. Has your market gotten slower? Or are you making more money now because they're paying you more for a little bit of gas rewards? I would love to hear your guys' input on that. Put it in the comments down below. Share your ideas, share your market, because for me, I'm making less money now. And that's not a great thing, because we're all out here to make a buck, right? We're all out here to try to hit that goal every day. $50, $100, $200. But right now, I'm making significantly less. Is it a coincidence? I have no idea. Very market dependent, I think. But in my market, I drive Monday through Friday. I don't think it's a coincidence. So in my opinion, I'd almost rather them do nothing and have it stay the way it was. But at the end of the day, customers and the gig apps suffer, but I would have made more. Maybe you would have made more. It's a tricky balance out here in the gig economy. They had to do something, but it hurt my pocketbooks. And if you're interested in how much maybe a DoorDash driver can earn in a particular market, check out this next video. You guys are fantastic. Drop a comment down below. If you're interested in driving for the apps, check the description links.